Hello students, welcome to Biology Tutorial Lab channel. Today we are going to do quiz on the linear system of nomenclature and dichotomous key. This is Unit 2, Grade 9, Biology. Question number 1. What is the primary purpose of the linear system of classification? A. To determine the geographical distribution of organisms. B. To group organisms based on their evolutionary history. C. To provide standard and hierarchical system for naming and organizing organisms based on shared physical characteristics. D. To identify which species are most endangered. Yes. So what's the primary purpose of linear system of classification from the given alternatives? Which is the correct answer? Good, I think you got the answer. The correct answer is C. The primary purpose of linear system of classification is to provide a standard and hierarchical system for naming and organizing organisms based on what? Shared physical characteristics. This is the primary goal or the primary purpose of linear system of classification. ስለዚህ linear system of classification ዋናው ፐርፐዙ ጎሉ ምንድነው? ያንዳንድ ኦርጋኒዝም ስታንዳርድ የሆነ ዓለም አቀፍ የሆነ ሄራርካል ሲስተም ስም መስጠት ነው። based on what? shared physical characteristics. shared physical characteristics ማለት ነው የሚመሳሰሉትን አንድ ጋር ኦርጋናይዝ ማድረግ አንድ ጋር ግሩፕ ማድረግ። ለምሳሌ ማማልስ ምን ሼር ያደርጋሉ? they share hairs and they secrete milk. ማማሎች ለምሳሌ ጸጉር አላቸው፣ እንደገና ሴቶቹ ወተት አላቸው። ሼርድ ነው። ወፎች ምን አላቸው? ፊዘር አላቸው ወይም ላብ አላቸው። ስለዚህ ወፎች በአንድ ግሩፕ ኦርጋናይዝድ ሆናሉ። so the primary purpose of linear classification system is to provide standard and hierarchical system of naming and organizing organisms based on shared physical characteristics. That is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2. Which of the following scientific name is written in the correct format for binomial nomenclature for Ethiopian wolf? A. Canis semiensis. B. Canis semiensis. C. Canis semiensis. D. Canis semiensis. Look, whether the first letter is capital or small, capital, 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 small, 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 and an italic. So which one is the correct format for writing the binomial nomenclature of Ethiopian wolf? Good. The correct answer is what? C. Canis semiensis. The first letter should what? Capital letter. The second, the species name become what? The first letter become what? Small letter. So there is the genus name became capital letter, and the genus name becomes small letter. So the correct answer for question number 2 is C. This one is small letter is not correct. This one is capital letter is not correct. C is correct. The genus name should be written that the first letter should be capital letter, and the species name, the first letter should be small letter. So the correct answer is C. Question number 3. The primary advantage of maize over corn, bekola, or badella is A. It describes the plant's color. B. It is a universal and unambiguous, understood by scientists worldwide. C. It indicates nutritional value. D. It is easier to pronounce. Maize. This one is the scientific name of what? Corn. Or scientific name of what? Bekola. Or scientific name of badella. So what's the advantage of maize instead of saying corn, bekola, or badella? Corn in English, bekola in Amharic, badella in Afan Oromo or Sidaminya. So which one is the correct answer? Good. So the primary advantage of giving scientific name like maize is that it is universal and unambiguous, understood by what? Scientists worldwide. Universal ነው፣ አሻሚ አይደለም። ስለዚህ ሳይንቲስቶች የሚስማሙት ወይም ሳይንቲስቶች የሚግባቡት በምንድነው? በሳይንቲፊክ ኔም ነው፣ በሎካል ኔም አይደለም። ኮርን እንግሊዘኛ ነው፣ አማርኛ አይታወቅም። በቆሎ በአማርኛ ይታወቃል። በአማርኛ በቆሎ ነው። ሲዳም ባዴላ በኦሮሞኛ ወይም በሲዳመኛ ባዴላ ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህን ሁሉ አንድ አይነት የጋራ ስም ለመስጠት ሳይንቲስቶች እንዲግባቡ የሚያደርግ ስም ምን ይባላል? ሳይንቲፊክ name ይባላል። So the primary advantage of saying maize instead of bekola and badella is universal and unambiguous and understood by scientific by scientists worldwide. Good. Question number 4. Why is using a scientific name like Pteropithecus gelada preferred to common name like gelada? A. Scientific names are easier to pronounce. B. Common names are too long. C. Scientific name is recognized globally and avoid confusion caused by different languages and regional names. D. Only scientists are allowed to use common names. Why is using scientific name like Pteropithecus gelada preferable to common name like gelada or tukre or zinjoro? So why it is preferable to use scientific name like Pteropithecus gelada instead of common name like gelada? Good. The correct answer is what? C. Scientific name is recognized globally and avoid confusion caused by different language and regional names. There are different language or in different region or in different village, geladas have different names. So in order to avoid this confusion, scientists or biologists, taxonomists use scientific name like Pteropithecus gelada instead of gelada. So the reason why giving scientific name is recognized globally and avoid confusion caused by different language and regional names. በቀላሉ ፕሮናውንስ ለማድረግ ነው እንዴ? አይደለም። ኮመን ኔም በጣም ረጅም ስለሆነ እንዴ? አይደለም። ስለዚህ እነዚህ የተለያዩ ስሞችን አንድ ስም ለመስጠት ነው። ሳይንቲስቶች እርስ በርሳቸው እንዲግባቡ ማድረግ ነው ሳይንቲፊክ ኔም ለእያንዳንዱ ስፔሺስ የሚሰጥበት ምክንያት። ጉድ In scientific name, insect ventricosum or false banana. What does insect represent? A. The specific epithet. B. The family. C. The genus. D. The class. Scientific name of insect ventricosum. Insect represent what? Is that the specific epithet? Is that the family? Is that the genus? Is that the class? Good. The correct answer is C. Genus. This one is the genus name. And this one is the epithet name. So this one is the genus name, this one is the epithet name. So this one is the genus name, this one is the species name. So insects represent the genus, whereas this ventricosum represents the specific epithet. So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 6. When a scientific name is handwritten, how should it be formatted? A. Written in all capital letters. B. Underlined. C. Enclosed in quotation marks. D. Written in cursive. Which one is the correct answer? Written in cursive. በመቀጣጠል መጻፍ ነው? በኮቴሽን ማርክ በማስቀመጥ ነው? በማስመር ነው? ወይም በካፒታል ሌተር በመጻፍ ነው? በእጃችሁ ስትጽፉ፣ ለምሳሌ በወረቀት በእጃችሁ በስክሪፕቶ ስትጽፉ ሳይንቲፊክ ኔም ምንድነው መሆን ያለበት? Good. The correct answer is what? B. It should be underlined. ሊሰመርበት ይገባል። ሊሰመርበት ይገባል። So the correct answer is B. ካፒታል ሌተር በማድረግ አይደለም፣ በኮቴሽን ማርክ በማስቀመጥ አይደለም፣ በማያያዝ በማቀጣጠል በመጻፍ አይደለም። ስለዚህ በእጅ ጽሑፍ ሲጻፍ ሁልጊዜ ምንድነው ይሰመራል፣ አንደርላይን ነው የሚደረገው። Good. Question number 7. Which factor contributes to Ethiopian high biological diversity? A. It is a small and uniform land area. B. It lacks domestic animals. C. It is geographical location and diverse topography. D. It is stable and unchanged climate. Why Ethiopia has high biological diversity? High number of plants, variety of animals, variety of insects, variety of mammals. Yes, variety of reptiles, variety of fish. Why? What's the reason? Good. The correct answer C. It is geographical location and diverse topography. The geography of Ethiopia is very diverse. The geographical location of Ethiopia is also good. Ethiopia is found from lowland to highland. The Afar depressions, the desert areas, Somali areas. Look to the Semin Mountain National Park, the Bali Mountain National Park. So due to this variation in topography, diverse topography, is one of the reasons for high biological diversity for Ethiopia. Good. Question number 8. Ethiopia is a primary center of diversity for which of the following crop? A. Rice and soybeans. B. Teff. C. Orange, the apples. D. Potatoes and tomatoes. Right. The correct answer is Teff is the primary center of diversity of Ethiopia. Rice, ከኛ አይደለም የመጣ rice ህንድ አካባቢ የኤዥያን ካንትሪ ምርት ነው። አፕልም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ የገባ ምርት ነው እንጂ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ አይደለም ሴንተሩ። ቶማቶም ሴንተሩ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ አይደለም፣ ግን ጤፍ ሴንተሩ የት ነው? ኢትዮጵያ ነው። So the primary center of the diversity of Ethiopia from the given alternatives ጤፍ, all the others came from other countries. Good. Question number 9. What's the main purpose of a dichotomous key? A. To classify organisms into kingdoms. B. To discover new species of animals and plants. C. To identify unfamiliar organisms by making a series of choice. D. To list all the common names of an organisms. So what's the main purpose of dichotomous key? Dichotomous key ለምንድን ነው የምጠቀመው? Join the correct answer. To classify organisms to kingdom ለማድረግ ነው? To discover new species of animals and plants? Is that to list all common name of organisms? So the correct answer is C. To identify unfamiliar organisms by making a series of choices. You will give choices, 2 choices. Based on that choices, you can identify or you can separate 2 unfamiliar organisms. So the correct answer for question number 9 is C. Good. The term dichotomous in a dichotomous key means that each step is made up of A. A detailed illustration. B. A single specific character. C. 3 or more choices. D. A pair of contrasting features. ስንት ፊቸር ነው የሚሰጣችሁ? ዛት ኢሉስትሬሽን ዲቴይል ኢሉስትሬሽን ስዕሉ ነው የሚሰጣችሁ። ዛት ኤ ሲንግል ስፔሲፊክ ካራክተር አንድ ካራክተር ነው የሚሰጣችሁ። ዛት 3 ዛት ፔር ጉድ ዘ ኮሬክት አንሰር ኢዝ ዲ ኤ ፔር ኦፍ ኮንትራስቲንግ ፊቸርስ። አንድ ፔር ይሰጣችኋል፣ ሁለት ነገሮች አለው የለውም። ከዛ ወደ ሁለተኛው ቁጥር ትባላችሁ፣ ከዛ ወደ ሶስተኛው ትሄዳላችሁ፣ ወደ አራተኛው ቾይስ ትሄዳላችሁ። ሶ ዘ ተርም dichotomous in dichotomous key means that each step is made up of a pair of contrasting features. So the correct answer is D. ሶስት አይደለም የሚሰጣችሁ፣ ሶስት ኦልተርኔቲቭ አይደለም የሚሰጣችሁ፣ አንድ አይደለም የሚሰጣችሁ። ስለዚህ አንድ ፔር ነው የሚሰጣችሁ ወይም ሁለት ኮንትራስቲንግ ፊቸር ነው የሚሰጣችሁ ሁለቱን ስፔሶች ለመለየት። Good. Question number 11. The choice in dichotomous key progress from dash to dash characteristics, from specific to general, from internal to external, from general to specific, from simple to complex. ቾይዝ የሚሰጣችሁ ከሲምፕል ወደ ጀነራል ነው፣ ከኢንተርናል ወደ ኤክስተርናል ነው፣ ከጀነራል ወደ ስፔሲፊክ ነው፣ ከሲምፕል ወደ ኮምፕሌክስ ነው። from what to what? From general to what? From general to specific. general አለ፣ ከዛ ወደ ስፔሲፊክ እየሄዳችሁ so the choice in dichotomous key progress from general to specific. So the correct answer for question number 11 is C. Good. Question number 12. What evidence leads some biologists to believe that dinosaurs are more closely related to birds than to reptiles? Yes, dinosaurs. Dinosaurs ዝርያቸው የጠፋ እንስሳዎች ናቸው። So what evidence leads some biologists to believe that dinosaurs are more closely related to birds than to reptiles? A. Both dinosaurs and birds could fly. B. They lived in the same habitats. C. The bones of some dinosaurs and birds both have large internal spaces. D. Both are piclothermic or cold-blooded animals. So which one is the best evidence that some biologists believe that dinosaurs are more closely related to birds than to reptiles? ስለሚበሩ ነው፣ በሴም ሀቢታት ስለሚኖሩ ነው፣ የሁለታቸውን ቦን ስፔስ ስላለው ነው፣ ላርጅ ስፔስ ስላለው፣ ክፍት ቦታ ስላለው ነው። the correct answer is what? C is the correct answer. So some biologists believe that dinosaurs are more closely related to birds than to reptiles. Their evidence is that the bones of some dinosaurs and birds have both large internal space. This is an evidence that some biologists believe that dinosaurs are more closely related to birds than to reptiles. So the correct answer is C. Good. Question number 13. The binomial system of naming species consists of what 2 parts? A. Kingdom and phylum. B. Family and order. C. The common name and scientific name. D. The species and the specific epithet. The binomial system of naming species consists of what 2 parts? Is that kingdom and phylum? Is that family and order? Is that common name and scientific name? Is that the genus and the specific epithet? Good. The correct answer is D. The binomial system of naming species consists of the genus and the specific epithet. So the correct answer is D. Good. Question number 14. What is the relationship between a kingdom and a phylum in the taxonomic hierarchy? A phylum consists of multiple kingdoms. B, a kingdom consists of multiple phyla. C, a kingdom and a phylum are equivalent ranks. D, a phylum is higher rank than a kingdom. What is the relationship between kingdom and a phyla in taxonomic hierarchy? Which one is the correct answer? Good. The correct answer is B. A kingdom contains multiple phyla. Yes. And a phylum consists of what? Multiple classes. And class consists of what? Multiple order. Order consists of what? Multiple families. And a genus consists of what? Multiple species. So the correct answer for question number 14 is B. A kingdom contains multiple phyla. Good. Question number 15. Consider the classification of the following 3 animals. Domestic cat, Felis catus, family Felidae, order Carnivora. Ethiopian wolf, Canis semiensis, family Canidae, order Carnivora. Lion, Panthera leo, family Felidae, order Carnivora. Based on this hierarchy, which 2 animals share the most recent common ancestor? A domestic cat and Ethiopian wolf, because they are both in the order Carnivora. B, the Ethiopian wolf and the lion, because they are both wild animals. C, the domestic cat and the lion, because they are both in the family Felidae. D, all 3 are equivalent related because they belong to the same order. Which one is the correct answer? Based on the information, based on this hierarchy, which of the 2 animals share the most recent common ancestor? The question is the most recent. They are found in the same order. All the 3 are found in the same order, order Carnivora. But domestic cat, this family is family Felidae. Ethiopian wolf, family Canidae. Lion, family Felidae. So which one are more related to each other? Is that domestic cat with Ethiopian wolf? Is that domestic cat with lion? Or is that Ethiopian wolf with lion? Good. The correct answer is C, the domestic cat and the lion, because they are both in the family Felidae. Family Felidae. This is the recent family Felidae. Family Felidae. So they are found in the same family, so that they share the most recent common ancestor. So the correct answer for question number 15 is C, the domestic cat and the lion, because they are both in the family Felidae and they share the most recent common ancestor. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this video for more biology quizzes. ሼር አርጉት፣ ላይክ አርጉት፣ ሰብስክራይብ አርጉት። እንደዚህ ያለ ጥያቄዎች እናዘጋጅላችሁ። አሪፍ ትምህርት እያቀረብናችሁ ነው ብለን እናስባለን። ታንክ ዩ ፎር ዋቺንግ ጉድባይ